There's my cousin right there. Well, this is my childhood home, so this is where I grew up. Hey, Nita, how you doing, cousin?
Good to see you.
You too. Mwah. It's like so many memories here.
Where you spent a lot of your years.
Yes.
Almost half your life.
Yes.
Yeah.
I really wanted to say thank you for taking over.
Sure.
At that time in my life, I couldn't have taken care of it. You know, I had my issues. I just wanted to stop by and just see it,
Okay.
you know.
Anytime.
And
It's good to see you. It's good to see that you're looking well.
I grew up and I embraced responsibility. We weren't brought up to live the lifestyle that I was living. The best of opportunities, the best of family.
School.
Cars, yeah.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You had it all.
Yeah. I'm glad that you were here.
Yeah, I'm glad I looked out the window.
You too.
At what age did you feel like you embraced responsibilities, that you grew up?
Bye-bye.
Prior to being homeless, don't get me wrong, I had nice household upbringing and all of that. I had a working mom, a working grandma, loving, both caring, gave me everything that I needed, all the tools to succeed. And along the way, I misaligned values from what I was taught and given to me.
Oh, come on, man. Stop the train.
Doors closing.
I became homeless by going in and out of the prison system.
Clinton is next.
Unfortunately, my grandmother and mother passed, so that left me without a stable housing situation every time I got released. But the common thing which led to all of that was not having a place to stay. You didn't have a place to stay, that's an unstable mindset. Unstable mindset leads to unstable actions, leads to unstable consequences. You're gonna go back to what you're used to if you don't have the support of a foundation. When I was released and the big city of Chicago was like facing me once again, I remember all the other times that I took that same ride. And I'm like, you know, this is something different. I'm uncertain about it all because I've been down those roads several times. And it was a fear of not making it, but it was also a part of me that was like, you know what? You've tried X, Y, and Z. That didn't work. Now here's a place that's willing to accept you. All you have to do is show up. I got out January 4th, and how I got to St. Leonard's, it come up time for parole, so I reached out to the intake. St. Leonard's was willing to accept me and give me a chance.
What's happening, Rico?
January 4th came, and the rest is history. I'm here. I got 2 keys on here, and I'm forgetting which one to put in the door. When I got here, I was feeling a little anxious, a little bit of anxiety, and I walked in and got checked in, got my room, and I just walked around the facility.
Okay, Mr. Mendoza.
The next morning came.
Knock, knock.
I started to meet more staff.
How are you? Hey, Dave.
Hey, what's going on, man?
All right, how's it going?
All right, man.
Man,
Come on in.
a little tired, but I'm okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's your day so far?
It's going.
Yeah.
And I'm actually finding out I didn't need anything. but to bring myself and to bring the attitude that, hey, I want to get my life back together.
Man, how do you feel about it so far?
You know, I feel great about it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel great.
Yeah.
Now, you know, waiting process to hear back from CTA.
Yeah.
It was a guy named Brandon that was here. Sure. Me and him applied at the same time. Mario Mendoza is my counselor here. When I first met Mario, I expressed to him what I am trying to pursue. I wanted to participate in the CTA program. CTA, when they did the job fair over there at the United Center,
CTA had their own internal?
The CTA program is a second chance program. It's for individuals like myself who've been in some type of trouble with the legal system, and it gives you an opportunity to get your foot into a reputable company and gives you a chance to start a career. Is it cool just to send them
You can go directly to them, but yeah, if you need me to be in between and send emails to them on your behalf, I can do that for you too, no problem.
I like when Mario gets involved. And he encouraged me. Hey man, if that's what you want to do it. There's nothing stopping you. You come this far.
You know, and I'm proud of you. You're doing all the right things. You're putting in all the work, so just try to do your best to stay the course, and anything you need help with along the way, I got your back, okay?
Hey, man. I appreciate the small recognitions.
Yeah.
I really do, man, because it kind of pushes you.
Exactly.
It pushes you.
Yeah.
You just don't know. Sometimes that helps me keep going, man.
Keep up the good work, all right? I'm proud of you.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Have a good rest of your day, all right?
This video raises questions, and I need for you to be extremely honest in the comments when answering them. And just so you know, I have 3 questions. Number 1, what do you think of when you hear someone say, I had my issues? Number 2, who would you like for me to do a video on next? And number 3, what are your thoughts about this video? Please share them in the comments. Now, please be honest in the comments when answering these questions. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.